Our world has changed in 2020.
Like many organisations, Splash Projects has had to adapt and modify so that our project experiences can continue to help communities and people in need, now more than ever.
Part of our mission has always been to bring teams together, and now with the new challenge of reconnecting people, we want to encourage companies and organisations to inspire their employees to come together and help communities back on their feet.
Our projects follow COVID-19 guidelines to keep each and every one of our participants safe, and will continue to carry out rigorous health and safety assessments and manage any risk on project build days.
We've been putting a lot of thought into our designs to ensure that our projects can still operate within government guidelines, so that we can continue to provide organisations with meaningful experiences to reconnect their teams back from temporary leave or working from home.
We look forward to coming together with you to make a real impact on local communities in need.